this video, I'm going to use Logger Pro to measure the speed of something that's recorded in video. So in Logger Pro, you can insert all kinds of things. I'm going to insert a movie. It will look a little bit different on a Mac, but the menu options are the same basically. I'm going to insert a movie, and I downloaded this movie from the course website. So here is a movie of a rocket. Now, the first thing you're going to do when you when you do this analysis is you want to watch the whole video.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
No. Ready?
Ready.
Now what?
Okay, so what I want to measure in this video is how fast the rocket goes. And so if I click anywhere in the bar, I can see that specific frame. And if I can go backwards, maybe I can find when the motion starts. So right there, my daughter Olivia is getting ready to push on it, and then let's watch the rocket. The rocket is about to move. Oh, well, maybe not. There's some more conversation. Okay, now she's really going to push down on it. Yep, there it is. So that's where the first movement is. So you want to start the video right where the movement starts. Now the video is measured in pixels, not inches. And I don't want to measure the rocket speed in pixels per second. I want to measure the speed in inches per second. So I need some kind of calibration. Now, I made this rocket a couple of years ago. It was a kit from Menards. This is a 2-liter bottle. And I made this rocket out of a tube of a piece of paper. So I know that this distance from the bottom to the top, that's 11 inches because it was an 8.5 by 11 inch piece of paper. So let me click on the calibration stick right there, set the scale, and you just click and drag. I know that that was 11 inches. So now when I track the motion in the video, I'll be measuring in pixels, but the computer will turn that into inches. So once you've got a calibration stick set, you can click on this red button, add point, and you just need to click on the same part of the object. So I'm going to click on this black mark. I think that black mark was actually the end of the tube. Oh, it's gone. So that's it. That's all the motion I have. So those blue dots now that you can faintly see in the video, those are the motion of the rocket. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set the axis, or the origin. So if you like, this is 0, 0 in the graph. So I'm going to start that when the motion starts. And then you see this little ball, you can rotate the axes. So right now, I've arranged it so that the motion of the rocket is in the Y, and there's no motion in the X. So this makes the data analysis a little bit easier. Once you've got the data recorded, you can shrink this down and look at the actual motion you see. So right here, I've got these blue dots. So my altitude, my Y, goes from here to here to here to here to here. And I think the simplest thing to do is to analyze this just as straight line motion. So to analyze the motion, you just click and drag over all the points that you want to analyze. And then you can either click the R equals button, or else under Analyze, you can do a linear fit. And I'm going to fit the Y motion because that's what I care about. The blue dots are moving up and down. Now, the font is quite tiny in a YouTube video when I actually render this, but it works out to be 192 inches per second. So that's how fast the rocket was moving right after I launched it. That's it.